Let's check out TVXQ, bro. I'm ready for some amazing vocals, bro.
네. 먼저 인사드리겠습니다.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다.
저희가 드디어 힐링 보이스를 나오게 됐습니다.
Damn.
그렇습니다. 평소에도 굉장히 애청하는 그런 프로였는데 이렇게 나올 수 있어서 너무 영광이고 저희 동방신기
Max vocals are insane. True.
좋아해 주셨던 노래들로 모아서 한번 저희가 준비를 해봤습니다. 오늘 열심히 해볼 테니까 잘 들어주세요. 바로 시작하겠습니다. 하루만 네 방의 침대가 되고 싶어. Oh baby.
Okay.
더 따스히 포근한 내 품에 감싸 안고 채우고 싶어. 아주 작은 뒤척임도 너의 조그만 속삭임에 난 꿈속의 괴물도 이겨내버릴 텐데.
Okay.
내 마음이 이런 거야.
Bro, this is such a throwback, bro.
지켜볼 수만 있어도 너무 감사해.
Yo, that's almost 20 years ago. Real talk, that's what's crazy. 20 years ago.
부족해도 언제까지 너의 곁에 연인으로 있고 싶어. 너를 내 품에 가득한 채 굳어버렸으면 싶어. 영원히.
Ooh.
야, 이 노래 정말
They've been working
오랜만이죠.
with each other, like being with each other for so long that they know each other's like vocal. They can harmonize on beat probably. This song older than some of y'all. That's crazy. That's what's crazy to me.
생각이 바뀌는 건 참 쉬운 걸. 난 어리석게 혼자였지. 애쓴다고 될 일은 아닌 걸. 자연스레 가고 싶어.
This song is better in Japanese. For real? The way you are, you talking about?
환상 안에서만 바라던 네 진심 속에 있는 사랑을 피워주게 할래.
Oh, I see Mystery. Mystery said, I'll say it before I say it again. When I found out that Max did the background vocals for Taemin's Ace, he became my bias that very day. Hey. Yeah, tell me, guys, tell me your TVXQ stories while we're like watching and listening to this. Today's my birthday, and it's crazy they debuted around the same year I was born. Well, happy birthday, Adam's Weird Life. Ooh. Oh my God, Rising Sun.
자, 이 노래는 저희 동방신기 대표곡이죠, 사실.
그렇죠. 저희가 2005년도에
That's crazy that the past was like 2004. It's already 2024.
얼마 전에
That's
또 라이즈에서
crazy.
무대도
네,
했었고요.
그렇죠.
Thank you, I'm 21. Whoa.
자, 힘을 내봅시다.
Congratulations, 21.
힘을 잃어버린 날들 제가 되어버릴 것만 같은 날들.
I just like their eyebrows, bro. Who does your eyebrows?
파편들로 맞은 나의 아침엔 반짝임이 없는데 진실은 누구라도 갖고 있는 것. 하지만 보여준 얼굴.
What song got you into the TVXQ, y'all?
영원에 남겨진 나를 찾는 것.
Woo! God damn. Melodic, Rebel. Rebel? You just found him just wicked? Oh, just wait, you're young, right? They got mad vocals. Whew. This year I celebrate 10 years of K-pop. Let's go. You need to get that, bro. They need to get that water. God damn.
정현아.
He's like, I'm not gonna do it. It's gonna destroy my voice.
아직도 긴장돼요. 자, 이 노래는 오정방학입니다.
Dang.
오랜만이에요.
He screamed but sang it. Yep. He got that rock star voice. Ooh. We're gonna go through a lot, y'all. This is like a 30-minute video. The little. Ooh. I think I knew of Melodic for TVXQ when I got into them, but I think I really got into them. It was when they were a duo. There's a lot of songs when TVXQ was a 5 that I really loved too. I can't. The name can't come to me right now, but Catch Me If You Can. I think that was one of my first reactions to TVXQ. I think that's when I first like really hit like listening to TVXQ and then going back like to their past stuff. As the chat calls them, they're church zaddies. Ooh. I'm so sad you didn't hear DBSK. No, I have. I never was there when they first debuted, I think. I don't think I was into K-pop yet. But what I love to do is go back to the past. I always go back to discography. I always check out the past of the artist. That's just like my interest. So in a way, I did listen to all of it when they were 5. Bolero? I know. Yeah, I know that one. Max Songs Chocolate. Oh, appreciate you sending K-pop. How you been? How's Chance and Prince? Chance and Prince is good, Diana. Thanks for asking. It was Prince's birthday yesterday. Ooh, this one's nice. They have such a long discography and career. It's so impressive to me. Oof. I know like some of these songs were with like the 5 of them, so it's like not maybe it probably doesn't hit the same like as Miss Koalala says. And yeah, I get it. Especially when they sing like the other members' parts. It's just really unfortunate how it they split. But talent is talent, y'all. You can't ignore it. You're missing the harmonization. I know what you mean, Miss Koalala. You think Dingo pays some of the artists to come and sing on them? Woo! Or like they just come through to promote. God damn, and that's just like just a little bit of it, y'all. That gave me chills.
다음 곡이 사실 굉장히 어려운
Bro.
노래예요. 어려운 노래.
I feel like TVXQ is one of the like they got the vocals where they can like make me tear up and give me chills. Oh my god, it's Tonight. Whew. Girl, we're all gonna cry. Cry with whatever feelings you got. It could be joy, it could be sadness of missing them. Hey, thanks for following. Thank you so much for following. I know what you mean, Miss Koalala. Okay, let me pause. I was thinking to pause. But I think if you find a song that you like from this, like if you never heard it, I do recommend what Miss Koalala says. Go to their past like lives or like their songs and listen to them as 5 because the harmonized do matter. With especially with this song too. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite TVXQ songs too. Hold on. Especially this part.
I will take you heaven tonight. Yeah, 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 yeah. Stolen my soul, stolen my heart.
Bro, we need like lighters. Hold up. I would love to go see TVXQ live. Like, I wish I was able to. It's still very impressive as a duo, though. I'm not gonna lie.
자, 이 노래도
Love in the
동방신기
eyes.
대표 발라드 중 한 곡이죠. 와,
Oh, this song is so good too, yo. I remember me, Kenny, and Salvi would listen to this like tonight and this
이게
song.
라이브의 묘미라고 생각합니다. 자, 가겠습니다.
Hey, take a break, Miss Koala. Thank you, Chickens Felix. Woo! 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 This song, damn. This song still hits, bro. This song still hits, bro. I'm tearing up. This is a timeless classic for me, and hopefully for some of y'all too. Oof. Like I want to sing with him, but I don't want to ruin the moment because I can't sing. Max got the Mariah Carey fingers for me. I would love to hear it live. I don't know if anybody of y'all have ever got to hear them live. I wonder if Shannon got to hear TVXQ live. Girl, this is a long video, Miss Koala. This is gonna be a while. And I feel like a lot of people have been asking me to check this out for a while, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. Girl, he played too much, you know? Can I just say, like, they look so beautiful.
자, 이번 노래는 저희 새로운 앨범 선공개곡 다운입니다.
Yo, Dre, can you send me a link of the YouTube channel so I could interview you? What do you mean? Interview me? Oh, true mystery. True. Oh, this is recently.
목이 타는 듯한 갈증 차오르는 갈고 끝도 없이 잠기는 밤 내 몸과 마음을 어깨 새긴 이름이
Ooh.
유별한 나의 구호 나를 부르는 So say you want me cause I'm down
This is more of their new stuff right here. Look for your podcast channel. Hey, let me know. DM me in the Discord. Give me more information. Yeah, my YouTube channel is JREAMERS. Oh my god. I don't know. What you gonna do? Get that sip of water. Here we go. Damn. 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 Where you find this?
자,
Oh my god, oh
매일
god.
제 생일같이 만들어주는 노래.
Bro, we're just halfway now. Keep your head down.
미리 생일 축하해.
Oh lord.
아직 오지 않았다.
My head already down.
난 이유조차 못 듣고 주변 사람들 모두 하나같이 날 뻗고 너 왜 그래 난 이미 나쁜 널 사랑한 게 죄라면 진실했다는 게 죄라면
Hey, hey. I love that they're able to experiment their like in their solos too.
난 정말 예쁘지만 남다른 너의 속이 난 너무 두려워
Has anybody here ever got to see them live? I think I asked that before, but I didn't see the chat. Bruh, definitely one of the best, or if you can argue to say the best vocalists in K-pop.
모두 다 버렸다 지워졌다 사라졌다 내 가슴에 네가 죽어 너는 이제 없다
Ah, so this is the music video that I became like a real true fan.
또 희한하게 힘이 나요.
Like I'm pretty late to TVXQ, obviously, but I did check out the discography after getting into them.
가봅시다.
I wish I could sing like him. If Max does this, like, I thought this performance, dance, and music video was so fire when I saw this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Catch me, catch me, catch me, girl, tonight. Rafi, leave the man alone. Let him do his little finger singing.
Catch me
If you wanna. Bam, bam, bam. Well, actually, he just starts breaking down dance.
그렇습니다. 줄로 퍼포먼스 했던 Something이라는 노래입니다.
Yeah.
해보겠습니다.
She got that something, bro. Something. She got that. She got that. Woo.
Hey,
Hey, hey. That's fire.
자, 다음 곡은
오.
저희가 군복무를 마치고 다시 활동을 재개한 첫 번째 노래입니다. 운명.
The Chance of Love, yeah. Oh, this is 2018? Damn. We're going through years like crazy.
어떤 말로 이 교감을 정의할 수나 있을까? It's alright, it's okay. 바로 그 운명이란 거. Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me stop.
운명이란 거. Oh yeah, yeah.
You can't take rappy anywhere.
It's okay. 우리가 운명이란 거. 이제 주문을 걸어 속삭이는 말들로 나만 볼 수밖에 없어 내 눈은.
Come on, you know.
운명처럼 빠져들고
Oh, Max?
말걸 내 곁에 넌 최고가 될 거야.
I really think, this is my opinion, I feel like their solo stuff needs more hype. I feel like they're able to experiment more in their solo stuff too. And I feel like it doesn't get the hype it deserves. For both Yuno and Max. I don't know, Love Buggy. I kind of want to hear Blind. I want to be surprised each time. Oh, it's not very. Ah, damn. Alright. Take that sip.
자, 이 노래는 운명
How much longer do we have?
앨범에
Ah,
수록돼
thank
있던
God. Oh, like 10
저희
minutes
첫
or
번째
less?
트랙이었을
Like
거예요.
30 minutes?
평행선이라는 노래입니다.
Seems long. That seems like a good amount of time. I wish it was more. I would love to have a full-blown concert.
When I think about you, I think about
How?
하루 종일 고민을 해봐도 너를 잘 모르겠어. 알듯 말 듯한 걸. 난 참 특이한
Singing half for
걸.
TVXQ and for the fans too.
하루에도 몇
For the
번씩
fans, I don't know if the
해도
fans want to hear me sing.
우린 참 다르지만 왜 이리 끌리는지.
Ooh.
머리론 이해해도 말로는 설명 못해.
Oh, true. Oh, that's. Do you know it's your bias?
그 위를 따로 걷다 그길 끝에서
Hey.
함께할 길을 찾아 지금 너와 나 조금 서툴지만 내게
Today's Monday, right, chat?
다가와 내게 점점 다가와 짜라라라라라 됐어 I got 점점 다가와 점점 다가와 내게 점점 다가가 후후후.
Ooh.
네, 이번 곡은 저희 이번에 20주년
그렇습니다.
새로운 신곡인데 프로미스라고 창민이가 작사를 했죠.
그렇습니다.
Promise.
팬분들을 생각하면서 쓴 곡이니까 해볼게요.
오래된 추억들이 어제 일처럼 떠올라. 혹시 너도 내 맘과 같을까. 조금 특별한 느낌 baby. 많은 것들이 도망치듯이 변해가 낯설게 느껴지는 세상 속 언제나 함께였던 우리 꿈꾸는 듯해서 시간 속에 너와 나 행복한 순간.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You're so shy. 아이같이 환하게 웃어주면 다가와준 처음 그 모습 언제까지나 기억할 거야. I'm so blessed. You're the best. 눈물 나게 고맙고 소중한
Bro, they're too good. They're too good.
Till the end of time. No, yeah. Oh no. 기적 같은 너에게.
It's a Monday for you? Okay. I'm just trying to keep track of my days. Sometimes I get lost in the sauce.
약속할게 영원히.
Oof.
자, 이 곡은 저희 동방신기의 여름 노래죠. 썸머 송인데 하이하이하이
Mamamoo? Mamamoo they harmonize very well, yes. I agree. I got to see them live.
그럼 지금부터 좀
Amazing. Hayaya? Oh my god. I haven't heard that so long.
좋겠습니다.
눈부신 태양 아래 그대와 단둘이서 작은 배낭을 메고 함께 길을 떠나요. 달리는
Hey.
창밖으로 펼쳐진
Oh, this is so lighthearted too.
바다.
Nice switch up too.
내 곁에 너
2005 is crazy. What makes 2005 crazy? Oh, I know what you mean actually. Like someone said, "Hi, ya, ya" is the energy song of 2000s.
사랑해 하이야야야.
I've heard this in a while too. Woo!
Forever come with me.
Ooh, we got balloons.
그래, 신나게 가보죠.
가자. 지나가버린 어린 시절에
Hey, thank you so much for following.
손을 타고
Windy Gamer 69. Whoa.
꾸며진 빨간 풍선이 하늘을 날며
Everybody wave. Everybody dance.
삶에도 아름다운 기억들이 생각나. 세월이 흘러도 잊어버려도
The amount of time I sang this in karaoke, I bet.
담을 수
Oh, I've been in karaoke in so long.
어린 시절에 풍선을 타고 날아가는 예쁜 꿈도 꿔보지니까
Ooh.
빨간 풍선이 하늘을 날려 내 마음에
Oh my god.
아름다운 기억들이 생각나.
Woo.
Hey,
Hey.
TVXQ.
Hey. 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 Hey.
자, 딩고 스튜디오 감사합니다.
자,
Let's
이
go. Let's go.
노래를 기다리신 분은 참 많았을 거라 생각이 됩니다.
Ah,
저희
Miss
동방신기
Koala. You just made me
대표곡이죠.
remind me of that.
주문 가보겠습니다.
시작은 달콤하게 평범한
This iconic song has a chokehold on me since day one, bro.
먼저 말을 걸어와 모든 가능성 열어줘. 사랑은
And there goes everyone's fan. Nah, yo, but you, I don't know. Up to y'all. Oh my god.
조금 다쳐도 넌 괜찮아. 넌 나를 원해. 넌 내게 빠져. 넌 내게 미쳐. 헤어날 수 없어. 내가
Under my
skin. 넌 나를 원해. 넌 내게 빠져. 넌 내게 미쳐.
I hear like the crowd in my ear.
너에게 주.
First time hearing this song was from Monsta X's cover. Yeah, how did you guys discover Melodic? Was it through TVXQ or was it like, of course, this song was covered by many. Here comes the note. Here comes. Wait, hold on. Not yet.
Yeah, 너를 가졌어.
Here we go.
자, 상민아 보여줘.
Come on, God, you put a twist on that too. Put a twist. He went. Bro, to be honest, if you're a new K-pop stan and you have not checked out TVXQ and you can't appreciate them for their at least talented vocals, because everybody got their music preference, you gotta respect them, man. They got, first of all, they're legends. Hella talented still to this day, even as a duo. Look at this, like, I do recommend y'all to go check out this stuff. My God.
너에게 미쳐 넌 나의 노예
Damn.
my skin
Oh, that gave me chills, bro. Oh, we got one more.
자,
Oh, it's the recent one. The recent one. It came out like near Christmas. Or is that Christmas sound? Rebel? Yeah.
멋지게 한번 가보겠습니다.
like a king 가망의 power of the game 확신내
That's a very like Billie Eilish beat too. Like in the beginning, like. Oh no, it reminds me of BY's Got to Seda beat too. Like in the beginning at least. Not this part, but like in the beginning. You know, activated last minute, real talk.
Tell me if you're with it 벽을 깨고 오래 Bring the energy Building the energy 이 걸음은 never stop
And yes, it does sound like that Christmas song if you guys are wondering.
Building the energy 멈추지 않는 big rising vibration
Damn. Damn. I really want to hear this live. I like in person. I hope if someone out there, whether it be KCON, Weebridge, someone, please somehow bring TVXQ to the States, or please have a world tour. I would love it. I just want to hear these vocals live. I'm gonna do my best to try to go there. Obviously, life happens, and sometimes I can't do it. I came to accept that since last year. At least let me like breathe the same air. TVXQ songs lives are so much better. I would tear up, bro. So I have to go to like Korea too, to be honest. I don't know if I got to hear them live. True, go to Japan to see them. Easy peasy. I do want to go to Japan this year. Hey, hey, let's go.
Can you feel it? Can you feel me if you will it? 벽을 깨고 on and on. Bring the energy.
Woo!
여러분들
네.
재밌으셨어요?
Bruh,
지금까지
that's good. That was fire.
감사합니다.
That was fire. That was dope. Oh my god. That was a good time. I don't know why it took me so long to do this, but it was definitely worth watching it, especially with y'all.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.